In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your membership on Whop. This is a really useful feature if you ever need to move your membership to a different account. Now don't worry, this should be a quick and easy process, and I'll guide you through every step. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account. Then, click on your profile icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. After that, go ahead and look at the left-hand side of your screen and scroll down until you see the memberships section. Just left-click on it. Here you'll see a list of all your memberships organized into tabs like active, lifetime, awaiting approval, and inactive. Right now you can see I don't have any memberships under the active tab, but if you do, this is where they'll show up. If you want to transfer one, just find the membership you're interested in and click the three dots on the right side of it. A small menu will pop up, and from there, you'll see the transfer button. Click that, and then you can easily send your membership to a different Whop account. This is a great feature for people switching accounts or sharing access with someone else. And that's it. Super easy, quick, and very convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.